fam, so today we're going to be doing the follow-up video to my C5 Z walk-around video, and that had dropped before this video. If you guys haven't checked that video, go ahead and check that video out, because that will give you a visual look at the actual parts. So this video is going to be strictly numbers. It is not going to be photos and things of that nature. So if you want to see the actual parts I'm talking about, then go ahead and check that out. So today we're just gonna be crunching the numbers about how much it cost me to get my Corvette to where it is. So please keep in mind, I will be reading off my laptop, so sometimes I will not be looking directly at the camera. You know, it's not some weird thing that's going on. It's just because it's a lot of information and I want to get it all out to y'all. So let's see. Another thing to keep in mind, so these are just the prices of the things that are physically on the car now. There are several parts I have had to do twice because I tried to cheap out, or I just didn't like the mod that I did, so I bought another one. Those include my Hirsch a shifter setup that I had before, my steering setup, several tires, a lot of things like that. Keep in mind, this does not include my personal man hours. I have done 98% of all the work done to this car myself. It's only been to a shop to get the hood vents installed and to get tires mounted. So please keep in mind, this does not count man hours. So if you plan to have somebody else do this for you and do all these installs, it's gonna cost you a lot more money than what I have here. Also, some parts, they were bought new. Some were bought new with discounts and others were bought used. So if you're not able to find a part for the price I pay for it, it's probably because I got a deal on it. If you are looking to get any of these parts I have, I highly recommend you look at Summit Racing to see if they sell the part, because they always have discounts and they usually have it at the best price. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we're gonna start with the engine. So we have our PAC 1218 valve springs. Those were $130. We have our NGK spark plugs. Those were $48. We have our comp cam machine valve spring locks. Those were $33. We have our comp cam valve stem seals. Those were $25. We have our MSD wires, $60. Our wire covers, $11. Our oil catch can that was used, $75. A black wing intake that was also used, $93. Improved racing oil pan baffles, $180. 160-degree thermostat, $22. GM ASA cam, but Summit Racing brand, $247. OEM crank bolt, $12. Melling high pressure oil pump, $113. OEM water pump, $74. Cam swap gasket kit, $35. ATI super damper, $332. BTR push rods, $109. BTR tuning upgrade kit, $116. RDE timing chain tensioner, $49. LS2 timing chain, $58. Drive belts, $58. That is it for the engine. The grand total is $1,880 so far. So it's gonna be a lot of numbers coming at y'all. I'm just gonna tell y'all that right now. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of numbers because there's so much stuff, but the engine was the most in-depth because all the little parts obviously that you need to do a cam swap and things of that nature. Moving on to the suspension. We have DRM revalve Bilston shocks. Those were $485. DRM solid powered steering rack bushing. I got that free with their discount. Poly Control arm bushings. Those were $63. SLR quick steering kit, $467. Elite Engineering thermal tunnel plate, $304. The grand total for suspension thus far is $1,940. So our wheel and tire setup. So I have C5 Z rear wheels all around. So I had to buy two more a C5 Z06 rear wheels for the front. So those were $360. Fredo 595 RS Pros, are the tires I'm running. Those were $530. And I have Muteki SR48 black tuner lug nuts, which those were $55. So the total for the wheels and tires are $945. Moving on to brakes, we have our Willwood big brake kit, which I bought used for $950. Stainless steel brake line kit, $70. 14-inch front rotors, $452. Rear rotors, $70. Carbotech XP10 pads in the front for the Willwoods, Carbotech XP8 pads in the rear for just the regular C5 calibers, $390. And the brake hardware I needed to run the bigger rotors with the Willwood kit. So our total is $1,970. Our exhaust setup, Speed Engineering headers, $470. Exhaust clamps, $47, because you need 4 of them. This does not include the price of the welding of the stock X pipe to the new headers, nor does this include the exhaust wrap, but the total price is $517 for the exhaust. Not bad, honestly. Moving on to the transmission, we have our MGW shifter with lower box. I bought that used for $225. My Durlin shift knob, I bought that for $46. That's a lot for a shift knob. TIC Performance Master cylinder, I bought that for $250. The total is $521. Moving on to the interior, my racing seat bolts, the side mount bolts, those were $11. My harness clips were $18. My Sparco Grid Q bucket, $350. My harness bar, which is a custom one that I bought used, $200. My Race Equip 5-point harness, $75. Personal Grintz 350mm steering wheel, $227, used also. NRG hub, $89. NRG quick release, $101. Low Pro seat bracket, $357. Lower harness mounting bracket, $152. Moving up, the total for the interior is $1,551. For the exterior, my rear wing, I got that for free. My yellow film for my corner lights, $12. My Elite Engineering side rails, those were $80. My bumper savers, $30. The radiator guard that I have, $40. Clear corner lights, $49. Track Spec Motorsports hood vents, $367. And my total for the exterior is $578. Yep, it's starting to add up. Moving on to the electronics, my LED hyper flash harness, because you need one of those if you are running LEDs. And your C5 was $45. My MSD 2-step was $203. My LMC5 bypass kit, $53. LED tail lights, $165 used. LED low beams, $40. Got those eBay, Amazon specials. LED turn signal lights, $47. LED reverse lights, $19. LED third brake light, $19. Third brake light flasher, $13. LED license plate light, $20. My sub and amp combo, $187. My Pioneer radio, $500. Single DIN radio kit, $20. Radiator adapter, radio adapter wiring harness, $120. The grand total for the electronics are $983. The next group we have is miscellaneous stuff. So alignment, $100. ABS fixer, ABS unit, $200. Hood vent install, $220. And my tune was $175. So the total for the miscellaneous stuff, $695. So, unless y'all been doing the math yourself, which I'm sure you didn't because that was a lot to follow along with, but the grand total that I have invested in my C5 Corvette is $11,580. So, I paid $24,000 for the car with I think around 28,000 miles. So if you do the math there, I paid around $35,000. So that's it. So far, I spent $11,000 on this car. And it's worth it to me. From an investment standpoint, terrible way to spend your money. I mean, if you're looking to make smart financial decisions, I don't recommend getting into cars. But if you're looking to just enjoy your hobby, do something that you love, it's money well spent and it was worth every penny. And I would do it again in a heartbeat. Things I have planned in the future are coilovers. I'm gonna get the Fortunato 510s. Those are $2,250. A nice set of wheels, that's gonna be anywhere between $1,500 to $2,000. Hell, maybe even $3,000 depending on what wheels I end up going with. I want to do a roll bar on the car. There's a lot of stuff I still want to do to this car, so it's no way it's done for right now. I call this the C5 Z 2.0 because I already completed the first stage of mods I want to do, and then now it's at the 2.0. 3.0 consists of wheels, coilovers, a harness bar, and engine, transmission, and oil cooler. So there's still a lot more to do to the car, so expect more content to come. But yeah, that's it. Also, I actually made a Word document, a Word document that I will link below. And this Word document has every single mod I have done to the car, plus links of where you can buy this stuff yourself. This Word document took me a good amount of time to compile, but I did it for you guys. I did it with you guys in mind. So instead of you having to spend hours trying to figure out where all I got all this stuff, it's neatly documented in a Word document for you to be able to access at your convenience. I will continue to update this Word document as I change out parts on my car, and I'll share everything I do to my car with you. But thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I am trying to hustle my way to 1,000 subscribers before 2020 is out. You know, the goal is to monetize this channel and hopefully bring on sponsors and things of that nature. So please help me to get to my goal because, you know, I'm just doing this for fun, obviously, and it does take a good amount of time. So with you guys' help, I could get there a lot quicker. So if you could share this with your friends, you know, like have them subscribe to the channel and just share my videos, that's all I can ask of you. All I can ask of you. But thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'm out.